everybody, Miss Wendy here. Today we're going to be doing a kids craft. I say kids craft, but anybody in the whole family can do it. If you all want to make one, that's awesome. So we're going to be making a very simple pop-up card today. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need at least 3 pieces of paper. I'm going to be using construction paper, but you can use whatever paper you have at home. You will need one for the inside of your card, one for the outside of your card, and one for whatever's going to pop up in the middle of your card. Okay? So I'm using pink because I'm going to make some hearts. I'm using green and white just because I like those colors. You can use whatever color you like. You will also need, definitely, a pair of scissors. Now, safety tip, Miss Wendy's rules. If your scissors are not cutting paper, they are on the table. Okay? All right, you're also going to need something to attach your pop-up piece to your card. I'm going to use a glue stick. This is probably what I would recommend the most, but you can use liquid glue. You could probably use tape. It'd be a little tricky to use, but you could do that. Just probably would not advise staples because it's going to get a little clunky. And finally, you will need something else to decorate your cards with. This is up to you. I'm going to use markers, just because I like markers. You can use crayons, stickers, pencils, colored pencils, paint, whatever you like. All right, so let's get this going. All right, so we have our inside paper. I'm gonna grab my outside paper just to start with. Put them on top of each other and fold them in half like a card would be, just so you have that ready to go. If you have 2 different size pieces of paper, your inside one should be smaller than your outside one. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside for now. For your inside paper, we are going to, still folded, going to make one little cut, and another little cut. Now what we're cutting here is what we're going to attach whatever's going to pop up in the card. So you see I have, so you want to be roughly the same size. You got a little wiggle room. Open it up, and you're going to push this part, kind of this was a little tricky, right on the crease so it goes inside. And you want to kind of fold it up again like so. Make sure that's a nice and tight crease there. All right, so when you open it up, you can kind of see you have this little wedge shape kind of standing up. Okay, so I'm going to set that aside for just a second. I'm going to do my inside thing. I'm going to make a heart, like I said. You can make whatever you want. You want to do a bunny, you want to do some flowers. The way I make hearts is I'm going to fold the paper in half. And I'm just going to cut out half a heart. I'm just going to do this freehand. You can do this however you like. You can draw it first. Boop. Scissors down. And there we are. Got a little heart. Okay. Thank you, paper. All right. So I'm going to bring my inside piece again. And I'm going to decide which way I want it to go. All right. So get my glue. Some new glue, lovely. All right, and whichever side, so I'm going to want my heart to come up right here. So I'm going to just put a little bit glue, boop, 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 boop. Cap back on the glue when I'm done with it. Okay, I'm just going to stick that heart right on that tab. So when I close it, you can kind of see now when you open the card, it'll pop up. This one's not going to pop out too far. If you want it to pop out further, just cut this tab a little bit longer, okay? All right, so now I'm going to take my outside piece, get my glue back, boop, 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 boop. Just gonna do a little bit extra. Lid on again. I'm just gonna line that up really carefully. Just want to make sure that you don't get glue anywhere on that tab, because otherwise it's not gonna pop up. Line that up. Oops. There we go. Might take a little bit of wiggling, and there. That's not perfect, but that's okay. Gives it character. All right, and just fold that back up. There. And then I'm gonna put something on the outside real quick. Let's see. Oh, let's do it in purple because I like purple. Let's see. I'm gonna go right straight. Here, look. So you can see, happy spring. Open it up. Ta-da! You can decorate the inside too, but I think I'm just going to leave that just like that. And there you have your very own pop-up card. Now remember, you can decorate the rest of this however you like. Markers, crayons, stickers, whatever you like for any occasion you like. I hope you enjoyed this simple craft. If you like, take a picture of what you've made and put it in the comments, and so we can all see them. Thank you all very much for making this craft with me, and I will see you later.